Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a brand new boat from Aviara. This is the AV28. So this is a 28-foot boat that is the Surf Edition. They have a couple different options, but this one in particular is the Surf. So let's take a look at the outside first. This is going to be your nice dark rich blue on the outside with the white accent on the side and the white on the bottom. And then we have the articulating power tower from Aviara that is white as well. So really cool. Out on the back here, so again, like I said, this is a Surf Edition. You can see you have the nice surf tabs on both sides. And then to make this a surfable boat, Mercury has the 8.2 liter big block V8. This is the Bravo 4S because it's a reverse drive, so the props are pointing the opposite way, which makes it safe to surf behind this boat. We've got nice speakers in the back, you've got some nice seating, and then a drop down swim platform that will come down into the water. You can stand on it, sit on it. Just a nice place to sit with everybody. So lots to see on the interior. Why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard the all-new AV28 Surf Edition. So with an AV20 or the 28-foot boat, you got to have lots of seating. And we'll start here in the back. We've got some nice seating in the back to when you're hanging out with your friends or family, getting some sun. And then when you're ready to come in the boat, we got a nice step through, walk down into the boat with a nice sea deck on the floor. And then once you get in, you've got seating all the way around, which is really nice to have. Seating that wraps around here, seating that wraps around here. You've got storage underneath some of those. And the other thing I wanted to point out that looks really neat is there are speakers on this boat, but they have a nice little cover over them. It just makes it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. You're not just seeing a speaker, so really like that touch. The other thing I want to point out here is a tower. So this is a power tower, and all you have to do is unlock on both sides, and then you press a button and it'll actually articulate backwards and down. So if you have to get underneath a bridge or put it into a lift or anything like that, really, really cool design, and looks really, really cool as well. So we've got storage in the floor, and then as we come up to the helm, you've got a seat back that can maneuver back and forward. It does have a bolster seat. And then we've got dual screens here. The first screen you see right here is the Simrad. So the Simrad screen is going to have a lot of different information. You got charting, you got echo, you've got information on your engine, so any diagnostics on that. It's all right here in this. And then the other thing here is the picture of the boat. You've got access to your courtesy lighting, you've got access to storage lighting, navigation, your music, and then also your surfing information on this boat in particular, setting yourself up for surfing, which is really cool to have. The other thing I want to point out in the AV28 is the head. So nice big head unit, got a vacuum flush toilet with a sink and some storage. All right, welcome to the bow of this AV28. In an Aviara fashion, they got a nice deep bow that is nice and safe for everybody that wants to sit up in here. You've got the bow filler cushion right into here that obviously can be taken out if you need a little bit more space to walk. We've got cup holders, we've got a phone holder, we got chargers, and then again, the really cool speaker covers that just make it look really, really neat in here. You've also got access to your windlass up on the front on the bow. You can open that up or use it right at the helm. So AV28, nice big open bow surf boat. Pretty excited about it. Can't wait to see it out on the water this summer. If you'd like to come take a look at this boat, it's here in our Rogers location. We'd love to show it to you. You can always send us an email or a phone call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. Click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.